everybody, and welcome back to Miss Angler's biology class. I am Miss Angler. In today's video, I'm just actually doing a quick reminder, a walkthrough, because I haven't done one of these in forever, about what my YouTube membership is, so that you understand how it works. And if you are in grade 12 and you want to get that distinction this year, then the membership is potentially for you. Now, I've got two different offerings. I have my YouTube membership, and then I have something called the Smart Start series. The Smart Start series does have its own explanation video, which I will link up above now, but essentially it's a self-paced video workshop for paper 1 and 2, and so that's something that you do leading up to exams, or if you're rewriting your exam, like you've already matriculated, that's for you. You also use this for like mid-year exams, use this for final exams. It's kind of like a workshop, right? Like an intense workshop. The YouTube membership, on the other hand, is different. It is throughout the entire year. And so what do you get for your membership? In the membership, you will get a free copy of my life sciences cheat sheet, which I have just actually updated. I've added about 80-ish pages to it. I've also condensed some of the pieces as well, because what I want it to be is a quick, easy, hence the name, cheat sheet study guide that is going to make your learning so fast and so simple, because I know there's so much to learn in life sciences. The next thing about the membership is we are going to do live lessons together. Now, the lessons are in two parts. So we have members only lessons, and members only lessons are, as the name suggests, if you are a member of the membership, which we call Rescue Me, because I'm here to rescue you, that is going to entitle you to attending those lessons, asking questions, and getting clarity on things that perhaps that you have learned in class. I also teach ahead. So what that means is that we often do topics before you do them in class, so that you're fully prepared. I do also do some kind of public, open to all lessons, like online lessons as well, but they're less frequent than the memberships. Now, when do we do these membership lessons? They sometimes jump between a Wednesday and a Saturday. It just depends on my availability, what I'm doing at school, what kind of timing do I have open for you. And I know that some of you can't attend them live, and so that's frustrating, and I understand that. And so what I also do is I make sure that all the live lessons are recorded, and then they're uploaded into the members only section. It's a playlist that only members can view, so it's closed to the public. And basically you can go back and rewatch, and then you can ask me questions, which brings me to the next thing that's linked to that, which is actually deciding what we learn. So often what I will do in our community tab at the top, you'll see I'll ask questions, and I'll say, what would you like to learn? And there'll be like a poll, and you can vote. And members get to decide what videos they want to watch. Now, when we get much closer to exams, we also do a lot more live lesson revision, and we do a lot more like exam prep as well. The next thing that members have access to is asking me questions. Now, when you actually comment something or you ask a question in my comment section, when you are a member, it's highlighted differently. So I can see that you're a member, and then I can actually answer you more directly, and I can help you as much as I can in the comment section. But of course, you can always return back to our next live lesson and ask that question again. The final thing that members get access to is early released videos. And the biggest earliest release video that I know everybody froths for is the prediction videos. And members often get those videos about a week in advance, which means you have even more time to prepare for your final exam and to see what I've predicted. But you also get members only, let's call them teaching videos as well. There's also a playlist of those where I go through past paper questions that are only for you guys. If you guys request certain questions or topics to be re-explained or elaborated on, I also include it in the members only playlist as well. Now, if you want to join the membership, all you need to do is click the join button on my YouTube homepage. What I found is that sometimes it's not visible on your cell phone. You have to go onto an actual computer, like a laptop or a PC, or weirdly enough, if you have an Android phone, it seems to work. Like it does pop up, but if you have an iPhone, the join button doesn't seem to be there. It's weird. It's very frustrating. But anyway, basically, you can join that way. And I will see you all again soon. Bye.